let me be absolutely clear, First Minister. You can spin this as much as you want, but residents across West Wales are understandably upset and angry at these decisions to strip services from their local hospitals, and they want the Welsh Government to stand up for them and stop the Health Board from removing those vital services. Now, my colleague Samuel Kurtz and I have written to the Health Secretary to intervene, and indeed to the Council General, to consider any and all legal options to stop the Health Board, and we will leave no stone unturned in standing up for the people that we represent. So, First Minister, I've asked you time and time and time again to work with me and stand up for the people of West Wales against the local Health Board, and so far you've absolutely refused. And so I ask you again, will you now intervene and stop the Health Board removing services from West Wales? Yes or no? Yeah, very good.
Well, look, I recognise that communities are very upset about the situation. I understand that people are committed to their local services. These services are deeply valued, and they've got to remain safe. They've got to be sustainable. They've got to be deliverable. And I think it is important that we also recognise that this has got to be a decision that is clinically led and really thinks about the objectives that it's trying to achieve, to get people better. And of course, people are concerned when they see services are changed. You talk about spin. What about the spin that you put up on a post to say that emergency departments in Withybush were actually going to close? I've got a copy of the page. Let me also be clear that, of course, when people are told about changes in services, I think it's important also to recognise that there will be improvements also in the reformed changes and suggestions. More provision for orthopaedics in Withybush, more cancer care in Withybush, diagnostics expanded to 7 days a week in Withybush, expansion of same-day emergency care in Withybush. You fail to mention this every time you talk, Paul. People need to hear this. And let me ask you a question, because you asked me one. Do you agree that we should have a brand new hospital in West Wales? Yes or no?